A string of high-profile CEOs, founders, and heirs are selling a massive amount of stocks at their own companies lately. Most of them were at all-time high prices. Jeff Bezos quickly cashed out $8.5 billion in 9 trading days. Jamie Dimon, chairman and CEO of JP Morgan Chase, made his first cash out since taking the job 18 years ago and sold $150 million in stock. Around the same time, Leon Black, co-founder and former CEO of Apollo Global Management, also shed a first-time $172.8 million stock sale. Mark Zuckerberg also unloaded 1.4 million shares of Meta stock through dozens of trades since the beginning of February, worth roughly $638 million. Fortune editor Amanda Garrett explains the recent phenomena.
So it all kind of happened in this short period of time. You see a lot of heads of companies, people at the top, selling billions in some cases of dollars worth of stock. And so that's quite a trend. The market is really high right now. NASDAQ set another new record.
The sales come as the S&P 500 index is at an all-time high, rising 28% in the past year. Meta stock has soared by 186% over the past few years. JP Morgan is up nearly 30%, and Amazon has surged nearly 90%. Amanda believes that they may be taking advantage of tax breaks implemented during the Trump administration, which makes this the right time to sell.
We're also heading into an election, and it creates volatility. Markets don't really like volatility, investors don't like volatility, and it tends to prompt some gyrations in the stock market.
Another reason is that wealthy stakeholders might be reconstructing their holdings as part of the plan for retirement and inheritance. Leon Black sold his stock outside of a 10b5-1 trading plan. His spokesperson said the trade was made as part of routine tax and estate planning and to boost the growth of his family office, Elysium Management. However, it's worth emphasizing that Bezos, Zuckerberg, and Dimon sales only represent a small fraction of their stakes, which is very important in signaling their long-term confidence and commitment to their companies.
These are ultra high net worth individuals, and so I would imagine that their advisors have been telling them for a very long time that it would be prudent to diversify your holdings, especially in the case of someone like Jamie Dimon, who's never sold stock before, someone like Leon Black, who's never sold stock before. And so when you see those types of investors turning their holdings into cash, it definitely sort of sets off this cascade effect. I would expect that to happen because it's pretty influential when a billionaire is selling stock.